eForMarketWizards.com and eMiniWizard.com, suggesting traders you use risk capital you can afford to lose. It's 3 o'clock on the 10th of April, 2019. Again, reminding you to use risk capital you can afford to lose. Well, we had talked to our traders about if we cannot bust 85, the market would swing around and try to support the long side and see if we could test the other side. Since the half an hour was up and time was up and then can't break it down, you're going to lose your edge. And so far, this is exactly the trade that we were looking for today, to hold support and come back up and test this 92 to 93. And my suggestion when the news came out was 85, use 82 to 85 support, make sure you're paid by 85, with the expectation that we could come up here and retest this breakdown. Just seemed like that's what was in the cards today. Trap traders thinking short, 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 and then put the squeeze on them with the news. This is a great, great plan that the longs came up with today. Paid for sure, 92 to 93 if you are long. There's a 30-minute chart that's held, and I was watching this like a hawk come into our pivot point, and now the resistance 1 target. And this is what we had talked about before, that this had not been retested, and we should get a retest of that. So again, this is for our traders so they can see the continuity in our thinking and what we had talked about earlier. And this was our 3rd time through trade. Being retested. Normally you can get back to that target just above. You don't expect a big push above it. You could, but you're not expecting that really. It's a place to make sure you're taking profits if you're long. Plan today was try to hold support with that 82s. Give it a little bit of a cushion back here. Say, make sure you're paid by 85s. And then see if we can get above and take this high out and then come back and retest this breakdown. Actually, today's T1 is 94.5. So call that 95 if you want. And we were thinking that that would be the next objective for the longs to try to get to. But certainly this has done already what we wanted it to do, which was hold yesterday's support, hold overnight support, and then stretch back up here into the 90s. And let's see, 308. So you've got a few more minutes long side, but at some point, longs today are also going to want to take some profits. So that's one of the reasons we were thinking 2 a day. This took a long time to develop. And right in here, it bounces back. I said, make sure you're paid 90.25. If you're happy with what you've got, go mow the lawn. If not, we still know what the objective is. Scott made a great post there about it would seem to me they'd want to bump the stops. He's learning this game, so understanding how it moves. 3rd time through trade, obviously, here at 91. So if the market can hold above that, then it can squeeze a little bit higher. $94.5 is T1 today. And 1 tick missing from the target. This is a good place for me to tell traders, make sure you are paid. And wrapping up this one, here is a wedge. You can see the lower, the higher lows right here. This formation is a flat top, false stop, and then the breakout as we had expected. And sometimes you'll need one more leg where you'll need two of these, like a little double right here and come back in and then still hold this line. These are a little bit stronger when they come out sooner rather than at the apex. So that's a nice trade. And timing was good on that. So if you're looking back here, you can see a 3-point touch. That's a really nice angle. Your mind should be able to pick that up even if you don't draw that line, but I like to draw the line to help teach our traders that idea. And then we can see in perspective where we are basis yesterday's range. And this is typically a target line for us right there. That you need to make progress above that if you want to continue to test the next level. And back here, this would be T2 today. So we had drawn this out on other charts that we have not posted, suggesting that this would be the first objective. And so this would be our resistance zone for today. Hope that helps. And all started way back here with this third time through trade. And then now with this retest of that third time through trade. This is E from ArcoWizards.com and eManyWizard.com. Hoping you're having a great day.